My friends, good to see you back here at Simple Italian Cooking, your place for easy and high quality homemade food. So today is Friday, and Friday is seafood day, and we got here today this fresh gamberi that we will prepare today in a very nice spicy tomato sauce. You will see it will be very, very delicious, and more importantly, it will be very easy to prepare. Just need to follow the right timings, and I will explain them to you in detail. So it's very important that you watch the video from the beginning till the end carefully. So what else do we need? Let's have a look. So as I said, we will cook them with a linguine pasta, quality pasta. We will of course need olive oil for the sugo that I will prepare, and also the olive oil for frying this gamberi. To sum up, I will fry this gamberi only 1 minute, and then we will put them for 5 minutes in the sugo. But the sugo needs to cook for about 1 hour, so we will already start with cooking the sugo. What else we need? We will need a shot of white wine for the gamberi when we fry them. We will need a little bit of passata, tomatoes, salt, pepper as usual, a little bit of sugar, and red onion, half of it will be enough. Maybe 2 pieces of garlic, a little bit of chili. This is moderately spicy. What's always good is parsley for fish dishes. So we got parsley here, we got also a bit of basil. A few leftover olives from the season that we will fry together in the sugo, 1 salvia leaf, and not to forget, a little bit of lemon. Okay, so today we are a little bit short in time, so I will make it a bit quickly, but nevertheless it will be quality procedure. So I start heating up the olive oil for the sugo. Meanwhile, I will cut this half onion into small pieces and heat it up at medium heat together with this garlic that I will also cut now. Okay, let's just throw the onions inside. I will also add the salvia leaf. I will make it a little bit smaller so we don't have to bite in the full salvia leaf later. I will throw these ugly olives inside, but you will see later they will soak the juice and the olive oil, and then they will look like fresh olives. Also a little bit of chili. If we see that it's getting too spicy, we can still add a little bit of sugar, so it will neutralize the spicy taste. And I will also cut these garlic pieces and throw them in, and we will start frying this on low flame, and then later on add the tomatoes. My friends, sorry, I forgot to mention, this is also an important ingredient because it's Friday evening, and I deserve this beer now. So come closer, you see, this is frying now, so we can now start already adding the tomato passata. As I said, we are short in time, so I don't want to waste any time for video recordings, but focus only on cooking. We will let this tomato cook now. Matteo, please be quiet, I'm live on YouTube. I will add about this amount of salt, a little bit of pepper, and very important, this amount of basil leaves. Make them a little bit smaller. And since we are adding now the spices, perhaps a little shot of sugar. There you go. Perhaps also this little bit of parsley, and the rest we will use at the very end. Close the pot. Okay, my friends, let's have a look at the sugo. Come closer here. Yeah, it has a wonderful smell. I thought we could perhaps add a few of these small tomatoes for aesthetic reasons, but also for the taste. So I just halve them and add them into the sugo. Matteo, please be quiet. And since we are short in time today, I will already start preparing the water for the linguine, about this amount of salt. And we will also start frying now the shrimps. I will add a little bit of olive oil and I need to heat it up at very high flame. Okay, next milestone reached. My son is now quiet and we have reached boiling temperature. So I throw the linguine inside and let them cook for about 10 minutes. In 5 minutes, in exactly 5 minutes, I will turn on this and we will fry the shrimps for just 1 minute and then throw them into the sugo for another. My friends, the big moment has come. Oil is now heated up. We will throw the shrimps in for about 1 minute. Oh yes, yes, I can smell the sea. Can you also smell it? I can smell the sea. Wow. Incredible, incredible. And soon I will throw the white wine over the shrimps. And then we will throw the shrimps into the tomatoes. Alright, the shrimps after 1 minute are now fried and they need to cool down now with a little white wine shower. Wait another 30 seconds and then we throw the shrimps into the... Okay, let's make the way into the tomato sauce. And then we are almost ready to eat. Wow, look at these guys. Okay, the linguine are almost al dente, I can feel it. And let's have a look at the sugo. Oh yes, baby. Oh yes. Yes. Yeah. Okay, my friends, I'm not sure if I told you already, but I'm doing more videos like this. So feel free to follow my channel and you will always be up to date what's going on here in my kitchen. And I'm very happy to answer any of your questions in detail. So just leave your questions in the comments function. Confirm that you're following me and I will answer your questions. Now, buon appetito. Let's see how this tastes like. Big quality check.